because of all the shorts covered and there's not enough What's up guys, it's your boy Steven Dux here. Welcome to my new video lesson of the week. Today we're going to talk about AWX. There's really nothing much going on for the last couple of days, being really boring. And the only play that I'm interested in, which is AWX. Now it's performing this really weird chart, and I'm going to explain the exact thought process and how the chart acts really weird. Now start from the pre-market. Now you can see I still remember there is about 50,000 shares on the bid and keep getting executed, and with a huge morning push and stuffed. Now typically not many people have that big of shares getting executed during the pre-market, so that's the strange scenario one. When you see that pre-market huge soak and you see this massive morning panic, you know something is going wrong. And when you see this $3 double bottom and start perking into this 336 area, I would rather go long instead of go short. Now you can see this huge squeeze out of nowhere from 3.4 to the 4.4-ish and kind of flick down to 3.6. Now, probably right here, you trap a bunch of shorts right around 3.6-ish level and squeeze them back up. And there's final squeeze to the 4.4 again. Because of all the shorts covered, so there's not enough bid when the stock comes back down. Now that's why the stock dropped all the way from 4.4 to 3.8-ish and kind of getting really choppy and closed near by the day high into the end. So when the stock acting strange, just be super careful, especially when you're shorting into weakness, especially when you're buying into strength. You can easily get trapped and lose a ton of money. So I didn't trade AWX today. As I mentioned in my chat room, there's no ideal play for today, and this thing only gapped about 8%. It's bouncing into that 5% range. So when the stock market is really boring and people are looking to trade into the market, and that's where they start getting nervous or they start getting emotional because they don't have stuff to trade. They want to make money. Now what happens when they see a potential opportunities, but it's not that good opportunity? People will still go in, and when they go in, they're not trading the right pattern, they're not having the right mindset. This is where they lose a ton of money by random mistakes. So when you go into your trade, ask yourself, are you trading a pattern? Are this specific ticker meets this specific scenario for this pattern? And when they all fit, then you can trade. So before you trade into this boring market, ask yourself, are you trading the pattern? If you're not, skip. And that's exactly the mentality of trading in the stock market. As I'm looking for tomorrow, which is I'm looking for AWX continuation, probably goes to 5, 6, maybe a decent gap down. Can use the overextended gap down pattern. Since the stock is a little bit overextended, it's not that overextended, so I won't be sizing in too much since there's not enough volume. So when the stock is not trading that much volume, it doesn't leave a whole lot of back orders. So when the stock doesn't have enough back orders, it can be really easy manipulated. And that's the key one. Because there's not enough volume, which means there's not enough money traded into the stock, and people with huge money can still manipulate the stock. But if the volume is really big, something like 100 million, 200 million, then for people who have big account, it can be really hard to manipulate that. And the big boys knows if they make a mistakes and the odds are not on their side, they will easily take a huge loss. So that's why they don't want to risk for it. But on those really thin stocks, really low flow, choppy actions, we just wait until the stock start trading decent amount of volume, figure out where the consolidating risk level is, then go hammer in. I think that is the right decision to make. On the other hand, we're releasing private teaching all over the United States. We'll be in Los Angeles, New York, Miami, maybe in Washington or Chicago. We haven't decided yet. But if you are interested in our private teaching program, we will be only accepting 30 people. I will put a link under below. So click that link. There's an email you can contact and you can register your spot right there. There's very high demand. If you're interested, go ahead and contact the support, register your spot, and I will see you in the private teaching lessons. That will be it for today. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.